Hello everyone, welcome to Know the Company Law with CS Rupa Mohan. Today we are starting a new journey into one of the most important legislations in India for the corporate world, that is Companies Act 2013. The Companies Act 2013 was enacted by Parliament to replace the old Companies Act 1956. It introduced major reforms to improve corporate governance and align the Indian corporate law with international standards. And some of the new concepts were introduced like one-person company, corporate social responsibility, mandatory women director, electronic filing and digital compliances, etc. This act is the backbone for corporate law in our country. First, we understand what is Companies Act. Companies Act is a law that governs how the companies in India are formed, managed and regulated. It lays down the rules for shareholders, directors and the management to ensure smooth functioning, accountability and transparency. This act also provides stricter penalty for non-compliances. Before the Companies Act 2013, we had several company law in our country, which has been defined under Section 2, Subsection 67 of the Companies Act 2013 under the term Previous Company Law. We have a list, I'll go through it. Any act related to companies in force before the Indian Companies Act 1866. Then we had Indian Companies Act 1866. Then the Indian Companies Act 1882. Then the Indian Companies Act 1913. The Registration of Transport Companies Ordinance 1942, Companies Act 1956, any law corresponding to these acts or ordinance, the Portuguese Commercial Code, the Registration of Companies Sikkim Act 1961. Currently we are at Companies Act 2013, which consists of 29 chapter, 470 sections, 7 schedules, 95 definitions. There are certain rules and regulations, circulars and notifications issued from time to time. So, understanding the Companies Act is very essential, not only for the students and professionals, but mainly to the entrepreneurs who are running the business every day and involved in decision making. It helps them to take the right decision at the right time. It ensures clear compliance and can avoid fines and penalties. In this series, we cover the Companies Act 2013 section by section. I refer to the Bare Act. This will make the law simple and easy to understand. Together, let's explore the Companies Act in detail. For more updates, like, share and subscribe to Know the Company Law with CS Rupa Mohan. In the next session, we'll refer to the basic terms which are used to read the law. Thank you for watching this video.